Well, I'm afraid he suffered severe blows to the head, though he should be better in a month. Let me try it again. Well, I'm afraid he suffered a severe blow to the head, though he should be better in about a month. However, there is a catch. What's wrong with girls anyway? Psst. Emily, wake up. We've got another job to do. We need to be on the main and as soon as possible. Ah, looks like we're here. Say hello to an old friend, guys. Emily, here's our delivery. Okay, just for the fun of it, here's the sound effect to use for when it cuts to reveal Gordon as a wreck. Here.